Hi guys, so I'm just walking back from the dentist. It's about 11 o'clock or something, so I'm dying to go home and get something to eat because obviously whenever I go to the dentist, and the fact that it was first thing in the morning, I don't like to eat anything before that, so I'm dying to go home and get something to eat. So, do you know what? I honestly have no idea what the hell he done to my teeth. I think I got a fill-in. Love it. Love that for me. So, yeah, just walking along the band side at the minute, so I hate having to walk up home. Last night, yesterday's vlog, I had it up for I don't know how long, and then somebody had let me know that the audio was a bit fucked up at the ending, and I watched through the video that was on my channel, and then I watched through the edited version that was on my camera roll, and both of them were messed up. Like, the audio was messed up at the ending. I swear to God, like, thank God that girl messaged me and said that to me, or else I wouldn't have known. But yeah, there was no way that I could have fixed it, and I obviously didn't know how to fix it, so I just had to take down the video and re-upload it again. But I also had to delete a lot of footage that I couldn't obviously fix. But do you know what? I was really pissed, but I'm not that pissed because thank God that it wasn't the whole way through the video, if that makes sense. Like, it was only the ending, because if it was the whole way through the video, I would have had to take the video down and completely edit it all over again, so it's not that bad. So I'm just going to have my lunch now. I'm just going to have a sandwich. It's not like me to have a sandwich. I'm usually mac and cheese or soup noodles or something. I'm just going to watch Accsessories' new video and have my lunch and then edit. And that's literally all I'm going to do today. I don't even know if I'm going to get much vlog footage today. These vlogs aren't the most entertaining, honestly. So as I was saying, I'm sitting here watching Accsessories' new video, and it's the one where she's doing the faux freckles. And I know this is a trend that was going around quite a wee while ago, and it's a trend that I never really got into or never done anything. But I personally find natural freckles quite nice and quite cute. And I also kind of find that faux freckles on makeup is also quite cute. But here's a thought, and this is something that I've always thought, but I don't actually think I've ever like mentioned it or anything, but I just kind of find that so many of us just do so many unnecessary steps in our makeup routine, and then we end up doing things and it just ends up defeating the purpose of the step that we've just already done. Like, taking faux freckles for an example, we spend so much time perfecting our base, such as our foundation and concealer, and that's obviously skin correcting, hiding blemishes, everything like that, to then just go and put on fake freckles. And I'm just gonna be honest, it does look as if there is dirt on your face. And then again, with the foundation and concealer and stuff, you know, you put that on to cancel out the redness in your cheeks and in your skin and stuff, and then you go and put blusher on. Oh, kill me now. Honestly, you know what I mean? It's just, it's so funny. It's so funny. And then we put on setting powder. We set, we bake, one of those or both, and then we spritz our face because we've got too much powder on, or we're too matte or something. I don't know. Whenever you really sit and think about it, we just end up doing so many steps on our makeup routine, and then we end up doing other things in our makeup routine that just defeat the entire purpose of the previous step that we've just done. Unbelievable. I'm so excited because yeah, I think I'm allowed to talk about it, but anyway, my Fashion Nova package arrived. I just have it all laid out in the kitchen here. I'm so excited. I am so excited. Oh, it's so amazing. Yeah, I will admit, I've never shopped on Fashion Nova before. Don't get me wrong, I've been on their website many times, but because it's United States, I wasn't too sure about taxes and customs and stuff, so I've never purchased off them before. But obviously I am working with them at the minute. I honestly could have spent an absolute fortune on Fashion Nova. I will admit, and I'm being honest, I will always be honest, their clothes were meh, and I am very stingy. I wouldn't really pay the price for their clothes. Maybe their basics was actually quite nice, but their shoes, their handbags, their accessories, oh my god, I could have spent a fortune, an absolute fortune. I love my jewellery. My costume-ish jewellery. So what I mean by that is, like, I love like my big gold chunky chains. Like, I love tacky jewellery. The tackier the better. Like, see any of that old Pandora stuff, fuck off. I'm a basic bitch. No, swing your hook. But I'm so excited. If you couldn't already tell, could you tell? So it's a Saturday and I am on my way to go and get my nails done. Yay! Did you get sorted?
Aye.
I smell you.
Aye.
To get you dosed yourself and stuff. So did you watch my last vlog?
What one?
My last vlog. The one that messed up on me and I had to fix the audio.
Aye, did I? That was the one we were at the woods.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Well, did you notice that I had mentioned that you were going to surprise me with like either a back massage or a facial?
Yeah, well, neither.
It's nails. Okay, so yeah, we're just in Makerfield at the minute. As I was saying, I'm going to go and get my nails done. This is a surprise that Kyle has been keeping from me. I initially thought it was for like a massage or a facial or something because I'd been hinting about that. But no, he's taking me to get my nails done. So I'm going to Coco and Rose. It's just up there just beside the bus depot. Where I left house there, I just took all my nail varnish off because obviously I'm sure they would take it off, but it was just to save them a bit of time. But yeah, this is the first time I'm ever going to have my nails done. First time ever in my life. So yeah, I'm excited, but yeah.
See you this morning, I could have kicked you out.
Why?
I go you back to sleep. And then you sitting there doing your makeup. But you were doing it so fucking hard. You were bouncing yourself on the bed. I was like, which is shaking me. I was like, Jesus Christ, it feels like I'm sleeping on a Stenline boat.
Was that whenever I was using my beauty blender?
I don't know, probably. I wasn't even watching you. I was trying to sleep.
Shut up.
Shut up.
So we're going to get lunch tonight and I just had my nails done.
Oh wait, I'll say that again.
It was actually really, really nice.
Was it?
Yeah. So that's why I just got my nails done. Coco and Rose. Is it Coco and Rose?
Yeah.
Yeah, Coco and Rose. Oh, and look, my bag from Fashion Nova. What are you getting?
I don't know. Are you vlogging the menu?
Yes, I am vlogging the menu. I'm just going to get my usual. Goujons.
Really?
Ranger! Hi!
Oh my god.
Ranger! Hi! Hello! Good morning, guys. It is Sunday and we are for Derry. I'm so excited. I always get so excited whenever we're going shopping. Primark, I'm coming for you. I think we might stop off and get dinner somewhere. I think we're going to Fitzroy's. Oh, Fitzroy's is so nice. So yeah. So I didn't actually end up finishing my vlog off yesterday, but last night me and Kyle just went to the beach. We just went to the White Rocks beach, which is the beach that we have been to before. I think it was in my first vlog. So we went there and it was about 9 o'clock or something, so it was quite dark. But we went with his brother and his girlfriend, and we had took like firelighters and like sticks and logs and stuff down with us as well, because we actually lit like a wee fire. Because down at White Rocks there's a load of like caves and like, yeah, caves and like wee inn hidden areas. I actually include some footage here because obviously it was dark. I thought to myself there's no point in me taking my camera down, but it actually wasn't too bad, so I have a wee bit of footage in my phone, so I'll let you see that now.
Bye.
Main team.
Do you mind if I get some vlog footage?
That's okay.
No.
I look full.
David Dobrik. To do what I do best. Oh. Roll up.
So this is my makeup for today, and all my jewellery is from Fashion Nova. I don't actually think I'm going to vlog too much around Derry because my balls haven't really dropped just yet, and I still feel a wee bit awkward vlogging in public, but yeah, but we'll see. I don't know if you have noticed or not, but I always tend to give Kyle the camera and I'm like, vlog for me. But oh well.